Can you really get free crypto? Or does it sound too good to be true? What if we tell you it is possible and some methods are easier than you expect? In today's video, we will cover 15 methods to get free crypto legitimately. Some of the methods we cover require no or minimal effort, while others will need some of your time. However, most of the methods in this video are simple, and the best part, all of them are legitimate. Before we begin, we need to highlight that this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before you go with a method that will work best for your current situation. And we cannot guarantee the platforms will not change their terms and conditions, even though we tested them. Also, while the platforms we tested are safe, we cannot guarantee the future performance of the projects. Lastly, if you decide on a method, please use the links in credible review sites or support us by using our links as they are redirected to the official websites. Please do not click some scammy review sites in case these sites bring you to a phishing website. There are really a lot of phishing websites out to steal your crypto. Welcome to our channel where we sieve through complicated crypto topics, summarize and break them down into bite-sized videos that are easy for you to understand. Before we continue, we would like to do a shout out to our own channel as it takes a lot of effort to research and produce these videos for you. So if you find value in our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Airdrops. Airdrop is when a crypto project gives away digital assets like crypto coins, tokens, or NFTs to wallets, usually a holder or users of a coin, token, NFT, or platform. This is done to grow the user base or grow a following for a new cryptocurrency. The most recent airdrop is the Ape coin, where early adopters of the Bored Ape Yacht Club were airdropped 10,000 Ape. In order to participate in airdrops, you will need to have your own private wallet associated with the project. Check our video on crypto wallets if you want to know how crypto wallets work. Link in the description below. CoinMarketCap has a calendar of planned airdrops. There are instructions there telling you how to get these airdrops. Link below. There are a lot of initial coin offerings, ICO, airdropping coins to create buzz around their new coin, though a lot of them are scams. Please exercise caution and do your due diligence first before connecting your main wallets to these projects to prevent fake projects from stealing your coins. Number 2. Blockchain-based social media platforms. There are blockchain-based social media platforms that reward you for blogging and creating content. Examples: Leo Finance, Lunar Crush, Publish 0x, Steemit. Number 3. Crypto cards. These cards work like your traditional credit card reward system, but instead of cashback or points, you earn crypto spending with either a crypto credit or debit card. BlockFi has a BlockFi rewards credit card that will give you 1.5% back in crypto. As for the debit card department, Crypto.com partnered with Visa to come up with a prepaid Visa card allowing you to earn their MCO coin. Binance also partnered with Visa. You can get up to 8% on all eligible purchases made with the card. Same with the Crypto.com card. Number 4. Interest-earning dApps. Some decentralized applications or dApps can give you high interest on your crypto when you provide liquidity or lend your coins to these platforms. Examples of high-earning dApps are 7% on Ethereum at Aave, 17% on UST at Anchor, 30% on stablecoins at Curve, up to 100% on any cryptocurrency you provide liquidity to at SushiSwap. The DeFi space is exciting and it is growing fast. Please check out some of our videos to learn more about DeFi. Let us know if you want us to cover more on these dApps. Number 5. Faucets. You perform micro-tasks and in turn, you get paid. Tasks can be like clicking on ads, completing surveys, watching videos, or playing games. Sounds easy, but gone are the days where a faucet can pay you 5 bitcoins for completing a CAPTCHA. You cannot get rich with faucets nowadays, as they pay you peanuts. However, faucets are a simple way to earn free coins without lifting up a finger. Because you need to give up your wallet address. There are many fake faucet sites. So remember to research before giving away your wallet information. The two popular legit faucets are Bit2Ro and Cointiply. Cointiply pays out in Bitcoin, Dash, Dogecoin, and Litecoin, while Bit2Ro pays out in Bitcoin. Number 6. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, bounties. If you know what an initial public offering, then you will understand what an initial coin offering, ICO, is. So instead of owning a new stock, you own a new cryptocurrency with ICO. This method is similar to airdrops, but you need to participate in bounties, like translating marketing content about the ICO into another language, making a video about the ICO, writing a post about the ICO. Like airdrop scams, please do your research before joining a bounty program. Number 7. Interest on your crypto with centralized investment. One of our favorites. There are centralized institutions that give you very high interest, up to 8% per annum for depositing your crypto with them. For example, BlockFi, Celsius, and Hodlnauth. You lend them your crypto, and they pay you high returns. Nexo is another one, but recently halts interest on new deposits for U.S. customers. If you are a non-U.S. client, you can sign up for Nexo and earn interest on your crypto. Links for Nexo and Hodlnauth below. Number 8. Learn about crypto on Coinbase, Earn, and CoinMarketCap. Unlike the traditional method where you pay to learn, Coinbase Earn pays you to learn through watching educational videos on certain coins. We have gotten around 80 USD worth of coins so far from this. It doesn't sound like a lot, but then some of these coins appreciate in value over time. The catch, though, you have to get the answers to the quizzes correct after watching the videos. CoinMarketCap also has a Learn and Earn program. You can check them out. Link below. Number 9. Mint free NFTs. Yes, there are actually projects giving away free NFTs. One website you can check out is NFTieSolona.io. They list out promising NFT projects releasing on Solana. Scroll through the list of upcoming projects and you may find some with mint price 0. We recommend not using your main wallet when minting these NFTs, just in case hackers create these fake NFT projects to access your wallet. If you are ready to work hard, find a project you want to support which also gives away free NFT to winners by participating in competitions or lucky draws. Examples of competitions and lucky draws are stuff like getting the highest number of people to join the project, tweeting about the project, and so on. Number 10. Play free crypto games. Believe it or not, there are mobile games that pay you to play. The amount of crypto you can earn is minimal, though. The first game in this list is Coin Hunt World. Do you play Pokemon Go? If so, this game is for you. You go around our real world searching for keys to open vaults. Get the question right within the time frame when you open a vault and earn Bitcoin or Ethereum. The second game is CryptoPop. It is similar to Puzzle Bobble. Group the same coins together, pop them, and get points. You can earn Ether, but first you need to register a Coinbase account. Register your ERC20 wallet, and the game will airdrop you Popcoin instead. This game is available on Google Play and Amazon App Store only. The last game in this method is CryptoWord, the same company that created CryptoPop. Earn Bitcoin by connecting letters to form words. Score at least 145 points per word to get 1 Satoshi, the smallest denomination of Bitcoin. Number 11. Stake your crypto. We have a video where we talk about earning passive income by staking cryptocurrency. Please check that video out for a detailed explanation. But to summarize, you can lock your crypto on the blockchain to earn the right to validate transactions, and you get rewarded for doing that. To find a complete list of stakeable coins and their interest payout, you can go to stakingrewards.com. There are many different ways to stake, but all of them work similarly. You hold your coins in a platform like Binance or Coinbase and get them to stake for you. Another way is by joining a staking pool. This method is a little complicated, though. Let us know in the comments if you want us to cover a Cardano staking pool. Number 12. Brave Browser. The Brave browser rewards you with basic attention tokens when you use its browser to surf the internet. We love this browser as it blocks advertisements from sites. However, you can allow Brave to show you high-quality ads in exchange for BAT. Use it hand-in-hand with the Presearch search engine instead of Google search within Brave browser to earn pre and BAT at the same time. We will cover Presearch, which is the last in our list later. Number 13. Lolli Browser Extension. Add this extension to your browser, shop online, and get free Bitcoin from your purchases at over 1,000 stores. Number 14. Mining Pi. Developed by Stanford graduates, you can easily mine Pi by tapping a button daily in the Pi app. There are articles stating Pi is a scam because there are no clear benefits for the Pi coin yet. However, we tried and tested it, and there are no issues so far. The app does not drain your phone battery as it is not using your phone to mine Pi, and you do not have to leave your app open. If this is something for you, you can get one free Pi by downloading the app using our link below. We plan to do a detailed review of the Pi network and its related products. Stay tuned for that video. Number 15. Presearch Search Engine. Presearch is a decentralized search engine that rewards users with Presearch tokens for using it. The search engine will collate search results from different search providers like Google, YouTube, DuckDuckGo, and you can customize which providers you want to include or exclude. The best part is the search results are not based on tracking and profiling your search history. Please sign up using our link to get 25 free tokens if you want to try out Presearch. There are so many ways to earn free crypto, and if you are overwhelmed by all of them, don't be. We find that the best method is one that takes the least effort but gives you the best returns, like taking 20 minutes upfront to set up, and you can passively earn free crypto. Examples we personally use are Nexo for non-US citizens and Hodlnauth. Before we end this video, we like to say it again. 99% of crypto projects are scams. Please do thorough research before downloading an app or joining a project. Anything that sounds too good to be true should set off your alarm bells. And if you have this mindset that earning free crypto can make you rich, please retune your mind. Don't hope for rare opportunities or pray for a stroke of luck a new coin will moon to the price of Bitcoin. It's a once-in-a-blue-moon event. Did you enjoy this video? Please feel free to share with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and blockchains. If you find this video useful, smash the like button as it's a form of encouragement to the creators, and we thank you for that support. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future crypto-related videos. See you in our next one.